The system is the asset, right? Let that sink in for just 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to say it again. The system is the asset. Henry Ford didn't build the best car, he built the best system. And that's what most businesses today still do not understand. Here's the problem. You think that your product or your service is what makes your business valuable, but what really matters is how repeatable and reliable your delivery is. A great team without a great system, burnout. A good product without a great process, inconsistency. You're working harder and making less because you haven't turned your business into a machine yet. Here's the solution. Ford didn't rely on perfect workers. He relied on a perfect process. That's why your business needs automations for quoting, dashboards for profitability, and playbooks for hiring and training. If you still have to check every single quote, approve every schedule, or solve the same problem twice, you don't own a business, you own a treadmill. Let's fix this issue. I help you install the systems your business is missing. Book a call with me and let's build something scalable for real.